What's good, my beautiful people? It's your boy Jay. Hey, I wanted to shoot this video tonight because I wanted to talk about myEcon and Income Shift Pro here, about how they're tying together, how people are making a lot of money with both systems, and pretty much how it puts your myEcon business on autopilot. Now, stick around to the end of the video because I definitely want to show you how you can put your myEcon business on autopilot just from giving your link to some vendors that have a list of hundreds of thousands of people that are interested in making money online, and the only thing you need to do is give me your link, and this is what the Income Shift Pro system allows you to do. So I'm going to show you guys how we're putting our myEcon business on autopilot pretty much. For you guys that don't know what myEcon is, it's a financial literacy program that's going to teach you things from your credit all the way to income shifting. If you're not aware what income shifting is, it pretty much is teaching you how to fill your W-4 out correctly, where you can unlock more allowances to bring home more money in your check. Usually people are bringing home anywhere between $200 to $500 a month when they start income shifting. With the income shifting as well, we offer a product which is our 750 credit plan, where we're going to teach you ways that you can increase your credit score up to a 750. So this is a do-it-yourself credit repair program inside of this as well. Outside of the other things that they do offer, as far as the ID Defender, the debt elimination calculator, the discount travel, and your cash flow manager, these are going to be things that are going to allow you to pretty much manage your cash flow, pretty much protect your identity. You have a debt elimination calculator, so it's all about financial, guys, and it allows you to build a massive income as well, from just residual income all the way down to overrides, and you're going to be able to get different bonuses from when you rank up. So whenever you get a certain amount of people in your downline, you're going to be able to rank up, and that's where you're going to be able to get a lot of money just from the override side of your team when they bring people in. See, this company pays you for even when your team brings people in. So that right there alone is just a powerful system. Now, one thing about it is that this is an old school company. This company's been around for almost 15 years now. So that right there is proving that it's a legit company. But there is companies now that are coming in because this thing is getting viral. So one program that we are utilizing to put this on autopilot is the Income Shift Pro system. The Income Shift Pro is a full marketing system that does all of the selling and telling for you when it comes to this program, when it comes to myEcon. Now, you can't utilize it. You can't utilize it for any other program because it's only for myEcon. Okay, so if you have multiple programs and you want to look into a marketing system, shoot me an email. I have other things that we can talk about for that allows you to market and promote multiple programs. Now with the other one, you're going to be able to you're going to be able to utilize the toolbox. So you get your toolbox on here where you can actually do email blasts, SMS blasts. You get an autoresponder, your SMS autoresponder, and you're going to be able to get the training as well that they have in there. So one thing that you're going to do, so let's get to this here. Once you get into the training here, you're going to be able to go here and get your capture page. So when you get your capture page, you want to take this link here. This is going to be the link that you're going to promote. So we're going to go here, we're going to say Udemy solo ads. So over here is where you're going to go. And this is going to be like a quick, fast start as well. So I want to kind of just show you what myEcon is and how we're making money with it. Get straight to the point. So that's what I wanted to do here. So let me go in here. I'm waiting on this to pull up here. So over here, this is called Udemy Solo Ads. So Udemy Solo Ads is pretty much a list full of vendors that you can purchase solo ads from that offer up their list when it comes to making money online. So these are different people that you can utilize. So Desmond is a person that I have utilized when it comes to this business. He's definitely good. And the way that it works here is that, so let's just say we took our link here, the Income Shift Pro. So this would be the link. And then we would say we want how many vendors. So if we said we wanted 50 visitors, it would be $41. We would add this to the cart. We would pay him, and he would let us know exactly when our solo ads would go out. Now, for myEcon, pretty much is you want top tier traffic because this is for the United States only. So you want to go top tier. So when you add top tier, you notice it went to $46. So if you play with this here, the price goes up because it tells you how many visitors. So if it depends on your budget, this is how many clicks you're going to get and people that are going to go to your list. And this is where this is all what we're doing. So this is one part of it. Now there's a lot of other things like solo ads, social media ads that you can do, but this is directly to the point. So this is why I wanted to shoot this video. So if you're interested in making money online or joining myEcon, this is the system that we do have set up for you that's going to be able to put your business on autopilot. And I just want to give you a quick overview that this is how a lot of people are actually doing it. They're just pretty much, they're set up their system, so they get signed up for myEcon, and then they come right over here and set up their system, and this is the link that they're promoting. And you can choose different capture pages in this system. So there's multiple capture pages that you can use if you want to market and promote this business. So this is the one that I'm using. Where is it at here? So free video reviews, how to get your first check in 7 days. This one right here. So this is the one that I'm using right now. I was using this one, but this is the one that I'm using right now. So and this is it. This is all that we're doing here. We're marketing and promoting this one link for people to view our business. So when you click it, you can see exactly what it is. Very slick. Once they enter their information, that's when they're going to be taken over here to this page. This is going to allow you to this is going to pretty much explain the program, and it's going to allow you to sign up for myEcon and myIncome Shift Pro. So step one, you're going to sign up for myEcon. This is going to get you in. And then step two, you're going to sign up for your system. And that's when you're going to follow up with everything there. Okay? So these two programs are tying hand to hand. This is the main program, so it's $47 to come in on this. And then from there, it's $35 a month. Your Income Shift Pro system is only going to be $25 a month, and you earn a $5 residual commission when anyone set up a system as well. So these are residual commissions that you're going to get on top of the residual and the overrides and bonuses that you do get with myEcon as well. So the commission structure on this program is deep. So I'm going to leave a link at the bottom that's going to pretty much explain it all, and it's going to go in deep as well, go in depth of the program as well. So I'm going to wrap this video up, and if you do have questions, click the link below or shoot me an email, and that way you can get in touch with me. But if you're ready to go, jump right in, and I'll get you your free vacation. You're also going to get your special social media ads training as well whenever you do join me in this program. So click the link. I'm out. Peace.